So today we are talking about something particularly very small. In this episode of Buhay Photographer, we will be talking about a common problem among laptops today. So I have here the ROG Zephyrus G15. It doesn't come with a card reader. I just got this 3 months ago. And as a video editor, I think I should have a card reader always with me. So, talking about that, we're gonna unbox this Ugreen USB-C multifunctional adapter. So we'll unbox this right now. So I've heard a lot of good things about this. I originally wanted to buy the SanDisk or the Transcend, but I went with this since I heard a lot of good reviews about this. I'm just concerned if it does the job properly, because as a video editor, when you're doing same-day edits, a fast transfer is really crucial for you and your crew. Alright. Yeah, seems decent. There you go. So, it comes with a manual, of course. And that's it. Nothing left in the box. Alright, onto the product. Let's see. It's tucked in pretty tight. That's another good sign. And it's surprisingly heavy. There we go. Yeah. It's made of metal, and it seems like finished with like a crystal material right there. See? Maybe when I do this, you could see the light right here. See, the cable is good, and yeah, it's like a glass finish. So what you get are 3 USB extensions. They're 3.0. You get a micro SD card slot for your, say for example, a Zoom H1N, and a full-size SD card. At the back here, you get an HDMI port in case you will need another one. Or for example, if you're a Mac user, the Mac M1 doesn't come with an HDMI port, so this is good for you. Okay, so we fired up the laptop. We have a card here that we used from a previous shoot. It has around 6 gig of files and the Ugreen. So we're gonna plug this in to our Type-C port right there. Plug in the card. And I've recorded my screen so you can see the transfer. And we'll start doing that right now. So as you can see, we have 21 items worth 6 gig of files. We're gonna copy that into desktop, and then test. We're gonna name that test transfer. Right here. So it says that it takes around 1 minute and 15 seconds to transfer, but we're gonna time that right now and see if it matches, or it could be faster or later than that. That should work as a pretty good test. The items is good. It's a high quality build, and you could get this for 1,200 pesos, and it comes with a hard case. You know how much I love hard cases, so I would recommend this for video editors out there. And yeah, that's it for this video. My name is Ken of Unit A Creatives. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and tell your friends about us, and we will see you on the next episode of Buhay Photographer.